Grand Rising. Are you working your way to the top, or are you working your way to the bottom? So when I say work, I mean mentally. Are you doing the work mentally? Or are you sabotaging yourself? Are you thinking highly of yourself? That's doing the work. Remember, where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So the only work you have to do is the work in your mind. So again, are you working your way to the top, or are you working your way to the bottom? So if you want to work your way to the top, you got to see yourself doing lovely things, things that you love doing. You got to feel deserving. You have to feel humble, but you have to know that you deserve it and that it is your divine right to have it. So work your way to the top.